On to Michigan! Once again, we stayed at a Harvest Host the first night, which was on a farm. This was great because we did a tour and the boys learned a lot about farming. And then, keeping up with the boondocking, we spent the next 2 nights at a Cracker Barrel, which actually ended up being great. They had a great breakfast, nice big spot for us to park in. What's that one called?
My course.
Minnesota.
Minnesota.
The main thing we wanted to do in Michigan was go to Mall of America, mainly Nickelodeon Universe. This was a lot of fun because the boys were able to go on most of the rides with us.
Chase after you. Oh no, you're about to get sued. I don't think Jason's ever shown anything like that, so he's probably like, what's going on?
Jason, what do you think so far? Ivan, what do you think of that roller coaster?
I think the roller coaster makes me kind of sweet.
Yeah.
I think I want to go. See the M&M.
You see the M&M place?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah.
I want to go in the freezer.
You want to stop, turn your wheel, turn.
If you go on the log ride, be prepared for the person in the front to get soaked. We had to go buy the boys some new clothes. There was also lots of other neat things to do in the mall besides Nickelodeon Universe. There was mini golfing, there was lots of neat shops, there's a mirror maze, and lots of good food. The last thing we did in Michigan was went to the Canterbury Park. We did end up betting on some horses. Jason is the only one that won some money off of one of his horse picks. But the best part was the Corgi races. It was a family day, which I guess they do every Sunday, and this Sunday happened to be Corgi races. They were all so cute, and all the owners were very nice letting all the kids pet their dogs. First race that happened with the Corgis, and you will see that the dog that was winning at first stopped right before the finish line and sniffed around until everyone had passed the finish line and then crossed it, which was adorable.